Scale-like matrix installation and wiring process explained. The box with a handle is on the top, and the power button is on the bottom. With the gap on the action plate facing up, connect the module to the power cable of the box. Can be locked with the box. Lock all 4 latches. There is a screw on the front of the module. You can also unlock and lock the module by pressing the screw forward with the screw pen and turning it. Align the holes between containers with each other. Push the latch in and lock tightly. Screw through the gasket to tighten. The first box needs to be connected to a power supply. Blue is the power input port. The lower left is the signal input port, and the first box is connected to the computer. The white is the power output outlet, which can supply power to the expansion box. The lower right is the signal output outlet, which can transmit signals from the expansion box. In this way, the box is connected. Long press the button and let go to write code for multiple boxes when it is bright red. Start with the selected container and write codes based on the sequence of network cable connection. Long press the key box will default to the first box in a space, so you must select the box connected to the computer at the beginning. Stay tuned, the video will be updated continuously.